Here I have Realme Narzo 50, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your Realme, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see Realme logo appeared, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume down. Just like this. And after that you will end up in recovery mode. So firstly you have to select English language. Here in recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, but also you can just use touch screen because, like, why not? So here you have such options as install from storage, online update, wipe data, reboot, and power off. So yeah. So if you want to quit this mode, you have to select option reboot, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.